Sejam Bravorkar. Today I have discussed about the thoughts on the internet. The internet is the vast and the complex network that has transformed nearly the every aspect of the modern life. Uh, the first one is the connectivity and the communication. The internet enable instant communication, thoughts, email, messaging, apps, and the social media. Uh, uh, Geographical distance, then the video conference tools have remote work and the personal interaction. Then the information access, it provides it provides the access to information, enabling user to learn about any topic at their convention. Online databases, academic journals, and the educational platform, and have the democratic knowledge. Then the economic impact. The internet has suffered the growth of e-commerce, allowing the business to reach the global markets. It has created new industries such as the digital marketing, cyber security, and the content creation. And then the social dynamics, social media platform influence public option, opinion, and the social movements, and even political landscapes. Online communities can faster, then connects connection, but also leads to issue like misinformation and the echo chambers. Then the culture exchange, the internet facilities the sharing of culture, arts, and ideas, promoting global understanding. Streaming services and the online platform have transfer how we consume the entertainment. Then the privacy and the security. The digital age arise concern about data privacy, surveillance, and the cyber security threats. Users often struggles to protect the personal information amidst the widespread data collection. And the digital divided, access to the internet is uneven with uh, significant disparities based on the geographic income and the education, often refers to as the digital divided. Bridging this gap is essential for equitable access to opportunities. Then the future trends, emerging technologies such as the artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things promise to future integrate the internet into the daily life. Development in the areas like blockchain and the decentralized networks could reshapes how we interact online. Then the internet is a double-edged sword, offering immense benefits while also preventing significant challenges. It's the impact on the society will continue to involve the necessities ongoing discussion about ethics, governance, and the accessibility. Internet of Thoughts will allow the acts of accessing the information to become as natural as when we think and remember a memory. With the internets of thoughts, our collective, the knowledge will become accessible to all, just with the thoughts and without any external device. Thank you.